Hello everyone. Today we are meeting a vehicle that proves a food truck can have more personality than some luxury cars. Before I even learned its full story, I noticed people smiling at it from across the parking lot. That is the magic of the 1970 Citroën HY Caravan Canteen. It is not fast, it is not glamorous, and it certainly does not roar like a sports car. Yet somehow it steals the show wherever it parks. I had the chance to inspect one up close, and within 5 minutes I completely understood why collectors treat these rolling kitchens like celebrities. The history of the Citroën HY began long before this 1970 Caravan Canteen appeared. Introduced by the French manufacturer Citroën shortly after World War II, the HY was designed as a practical commercial van for a country rebuilding its economy. Engineers borrowed ideas from the revolutionary traction avant, including front-wheel drive, which created a remarkably low loading floor. That made deliveries easier, mechanics happier, and bakery workers slightly less grumpy before sunrise. By 1970, the HY had already earned a legendary reputation across France, serving as a delivery van, ambulance, police vehicle, mobile workshop, camper, and of course, a canteen. The Caravan Canteen conversion transformed the humble van into a compact mobile kitchen capable of serving customers almost anywhere. I visited a collector who joked that his HY had probably sold more sandwiches than some supermarkets. I can't believe this happened, but he even found an old menu hidden behind one interior panel. Historians still debate whether every conversion was completed by the same specialist companies because many local coach builders modified the vehicles differently. That explains why surviving examples rarely look exactly alike. Production numbers for standard HY vans reached hundreds of thousands over their long manufacturing life, but professionally converted canteen versions remain considerably rarer today. Many worked extremely hard for decades before being retired, making preserved examples surprisingly desirable among collectors and food business enthusiasts alike. Underneath the charming corrugated body sat engineering focused entirely on usefulness instead of luxury. This particular 1970 Citroën Caravan Canteen uses a 1,632 cubic centimeter petrol engine producing approximately 50 horsepower. Those figures sound modest today, but the lightweight front-wheel drive layout allowed the van to perform reliably while carrying cooking equipment and supplies. The 4-cylinder engine sent power through a manual transmission, keeping maintenance simple enough that experienced mechanics could repair many issues with ordinary workshop tools. During my inspection, I was amazed by how accessible everything felt. I can't believe this happened, but one long-time owner proudly claimed he repaired a roadside fuel problem with little more than basic hand tools and enough determination to embarrass a modern dealership. The vehicle measured roughly 168 inches long, about 427 centimeters, while its practical shape maximized interior volume rather than stylish curves. Gross vehicle weight reached approximately 3,500 kilograms, allowing substantial equipment to be installed inside. Suspension tuning favored durability over comfort, and no one expected limousine refinement while transporting refrigerators and cooking stations. On the road, the Citroën HY Caravan Canteen never rushed anywhere, yet it possessed an honest character that inspired confidence. Watching one climb a gentle hill feels like cheering for your favorite underdog at a neighborhood football match. Even politicians could learn something from that persistence, although unlike campaign promises, this Citroën usually reached its destination eventually. Design played a huge role in the Citroën HY's success. The corrugated steel body was inspired by aircraft construction, adding strength without unnecessary weight. The flat panels also made repairs easier, something every hard-working owner appreciated. This 1970 Caravan Canteen looks fantastic in bright blue, while the yellow interior creates a welcoming atmosphere for customers. Large serving hatches transform the van into an inviting mobile cafe within minutes. I can't believe this happened, but during one classic vehicle gathering, I watched people ignore expensive sports cars just to photograph an old Citroën selling coffee. Even the neighborhood's toxic critic admitted it looked charming, although he probably complained that the sandwiches were smiling too much. Compared with other commercial vans of its era, the Citroën HY offered practical advantages through its front-wheel drive layout and exceptionally low loading floor. Competitors often required higher lifting and more physical effort, while the HY simplified everyday work. Today, these vans are highly sought after by collectors, event companies, coffee businesses, and food truck entrepreneurs who appreciate authentic vintage style. Values continue to rise because well-preserved examples are becoming increasingly difficult to find. When new, buyers invested in a dependable business tool rather than a collector's item. Today, asking prices vary greatly depending on originality and restoration quality. Exceptional Caravan Canteen conversions can attract impressive sums, while auction highlights occasionally surprise even experienced collectors. Although individual results differ, restored examples regularly receive strong interest whenever they appear on the market, proving that timeless character never goes out of fashion. Before discussing money, this remarkable Citroën deserves genuine appreciation. It served families, entrepreneurs, festival visitors, and countless hungry customers without demanding attention or luxury. It simply worked year after year, becoming part of everyday life. That quiet dedication makes it far more memorable than many glamorous machines. Originally, this 1970 Caravan Canteen represented an affordable commercial investment, while today, its asking price depends heavily on condition and equipment. Well-restored examples can command significant collector interest, making them valuable pieces of automotive history rather than ordinary old vans. A huge thank you goes to our amazing YouTube channel members who support every adventure, every historical deep dive, and every terrible joke that somehow survives editing. You keep this channel running better than this old Citroën kept French cafes supplied with fresh sandwiches. If your neighbor insists modern vehicles have more soul, politely show them this rolling masterpiece and enjoy the silence. Stay curious, stay smiling, and don't forget to subscribe, because the next forgotten vehicle may be even stranger than this wonderful French